Hello! Today we're learning about bus timetables. Let's take a look at the chalkboard. Let's try one together. I want to travel to Brighton. If I catch bus B from London at 10:15, what time will I arrive? First, we find bus B. There it is. Now we just drop straight down until we hit the Brighton row. Boom! 12:05. Easy peasy. Okay, now it's your turn. How long does the journey take on bus A, going from London to Croydon? Go ahead and hit pause if you need thinking time. I'll wait. Ready? Let's take a look. Bus A leaves London at 9 o'clock. It arrives in Croydon at 9:45. Let's write that out. From 9 to 9:45 is exactly 45 minutes. Great job! You're gonna smash this in your 11 plus. See you next time!